Hello folks, let's talk S26 Ultra design, because Samsung might be about to round off more than just corners. Quick rewind. For a decade, Galaxy S meant rounded corners, friendly curves, the whole beach pebble vibe. Then the S22 Ultra fused with the Note DNA and boom, boxy shoulders, straight lines, S Pen holstered like a tuxedo pocket square. Samsung kept that Note look for 3 years, then with the S25 Ultra they eased the corners a touch for comfort. Now the rumor mill Hi Ice Universe says the S26 Ultra is getting even rounder. How round? No one knows yet. My fear, please don't drift into iPhone soapbar territory. My guess, think S25 Edge Energy dressed up in Ultra clothes. Here's where feelings get spicy. A lot of you see the boxy silhouette as the Note's crown. Distinctive, premium, instantly recognizable across a crowded table of glass rectangles. Boxy equals bossy, as one of you put it. Others appreciated the S25 Ultra's softer corners for actual, ergonomics. Less pinky pain, fewer palm dents. I get both sides. But there's a practical snag with going rounder. The S Pen. The Note line wasn't squared off just to look serious. Those straight edges give the pen a clean flush garage. On the S25 Ultra, you can already see a tiny bite taken out of the alignment because of the curve. Push that further on S26 Ultra and the pen could start to peak like a shy meerkat. Worse in the hand, worse for pocket glide, worse for aesthetics. The nuclear option would be moving the slot inward, but that chews up precious internal space. And no, ripping the slot out entirely is not an option. Don't even joke. The collective meltdown would make RIP removable battery look like a calm Tuesday. There is a smarter path. Tweak the S Pen. Samsung has done curve-friendly tips before. No two fans, you remember. Carve the nib housing to match the chassis radius, keep the exterior flush, and everyone wins. No wasted volume, no awkward bulge, no where did my Note identity go panic. While we're at it, bring back the Bluetooth remote tricks a lot of you miss. The pen shouldn't just park elegantly, it should party elegantly. Now, design isn't just corners. Expect the S26 Ultra to slim down a bit and possibly reshuffle the camera ring arrangement. Thinner frame plus rounder corners equals a noticeably different hand feel, which, credit where due, is a risk in a market where most phones copy-paste last year's silhouette. Some of you still swear the S24 Ultra is peak handsome, others want the full Note 20 Ultra throwback with sharp corners, curved display, and Air Command swagger. I don't think Samsung will swing that far, but identity matters. Keep the Ultra unmistakably Ultra. What's confirmed? Nothing. What's likely? We'll know soon. CAD-based renders tend to land around early to mid-September. Last year's S25 Ultra leaks hit on the 10th. So we're on the doorstep of clarity. Until then, breathing exercises. Here's my take. Distilled. Make the Ultra more comfortable, sure, but keep the stance unmistakably Note-born. The rectangle was the signature. Don't sand it into anonymity. If rounder is the road, solve the S Pen physics elegantly. Curve-matched tip housing, perfectly flush dock, no lost capacity, no weird protrusions. Protect the Ultra silhouette, enhance the hand feel, and while we're dreaming like product managers, keep camera hardware moving forward. A stylistic refresh is cute. A tangible zoom and sensor step-up is what separates new phone smell from new phone substance. People buy design with their eyes, then judge with a camera roll. Bottom line, if the S26 Ultra shows up thinner, a touch rounder with a re-engineered S Pen dock, we might get the best of both worlds. Comfort without losing character, brains without friction. Samsung, don't throw out the Note tags just to try on a hoodie, tailor it, make it fit better, keep it iconic. Otherwise, don't be shocked when Bring Back the Note chants echo through the comment sections again. And because, let's face it, for a lot of us, the Ultra isn't just a phone, it's the last piece of the Note legacy, and some legacies aren't meant to be rounded off. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.